Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's video, we will see about a plugin which will allow you to restrict the course activities only to specific weekdays. The plugin is a restriction plugin which allows you to restrict the activities on specific weekdays in your Moodle course. You can download the plugin from the link given in the description section below, and here you can see the plugin description, and as per the plugin author, it allows you to restrict the activities section to certain weekdays only. So you can use this plugin to show kind of a reminder for upcoming events during the weekend, or a warm-up task to your students when starting a new week. And there are many other possible use cases for this plugin, like if you have a forum which is for a general support and you would like to open it only on specific Wednesdays, so you can set up it accordingly. Now let me go back to the Moodle site, and I have already installed this plugin on this Moodle site, so I will just show you how you can use it. I will just go to this course, and here I will add a new activity or resource, and I will just choose a page resource as a demo. So I will give it a name, test restriction, and I will just paste the same thing in the page content area just for this demonstration. Now under the restrict access section, you can click on this add restriction button. Here you will see all the conditions which are available for restriction to this specific resource, and here you will see this new restrict access to the weekdays. So just click on this one, and here you can choose the day where you would like to show the resource. So let me say that I would like to show it only on Wednesday, and here I will just disable this eyeball so that it will not show to the students. And then you can also change this must to must not also, and then just click on save and return to course. The page resource added here in this course, and here it is showing that it is opened only on Wednesdays, otherwise it is not available. So this is how you can set up your course activities to be opened only on specific weekdays in your Moodle course. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you. Have a great day.